Make a great choice today with the 2018 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.